The next feature that I'm covering is using templates and the explore button. Templates are predefined structures or designs for a specific purpose. There are templates for creating resume, reports, thesis writing, brochures, banners, invitations, letters, lesson plans, etc. These templates serve as a starting point for creating a document. It helps organize information in a predetermined manner and saves lots of time. Now I'll show you how to create a Google document from a template. In order to do so, we need to start from scratch. Click on the new button. Go to Google Docs. It gives us two options. Blank document to create a blank document, but now we'll be using from a template because we wish to use a template. So when I click on this option, it opens a template gallery in front of me, and we can see that there are several templates available for essay writing, report, book report, lesson plan, business letter, resume, recipe, and many more. So in order to demonstrate, I can select any one of the template over here. Let me select a resume template. So I click on this template and it opens in the form of a Google document which can be edited. In this template, I can edit any part of the document and replace it with my information. So I'm changing your name text with my name by simply typing. Similarly, I can change the designation over here. I can change the address by typing over here. There are different segments we can see. The details of the segments can be changed in this template. So this is more of a kind of a fill in the blank document where the information can be filled by the writer as per his convenience. I'll be using another template also to demonstrate. Google Docs. I click on from a template. The template gallery opens. And now I am selecting a template for lesson plan. The selected template appears in the Google document and we can edit any part of this template. So I am changing the name of the lesson. I have written normalization over here. I can change the details. Lesson plan for BA program, BSc, BCom, whatever, prepared by the name of the author. The segments are already given over here. I can change the text of these segments as well as I can add my own segments also. I'll take up a last template. From the template gallery, now I'm selecting this template for essay writing. The template opens in the Google Docs. We can see that this particular template has an image also and the text is written below. So if we wish to organize, or the students wish to organize their text in this particular format, the template can be selected and you can start writing your own text over here. In continuation to the templates, I will now tell you about the explore button. In the bottom right, we can see that there is this button, the explore button. The explore button helps you to search the web from the Google document itself without having to move to the browser window. So when I click on the explore button, you can see the search window appears over here. I can write whatever text I wish to search for in the web. Suppose I type cat over here. It gives me the results. We can scroll down, and if we wish to select or use any one of them, we can directly click here. It is also showing me images tab also. Suppose if we wish to replace this particular image with some other image that is available on the web, I can click on the images tab, select the image that I wish to insert over here, and I say insert. You can see that the image has been inserted here. You can replace this, you can delete this particular image, and the new image is now added to the template. Similarly, if you wish to add or take any text from the web, you can go to the web tab, click on the link that you desire and study or take the text from there. The explore button can also be used for searching your drive. When you click on the drive button, it shows you all the contents of your drive which can be used, which can be opened from here directly. So the explore button is kind of a shortcut for searching information on the web without having the need to go to the browser window to search any information.